Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to fix Call of Duty Warzone error code after update. So guys, first thing that you will do is open the launcher of your game. So in my case, I have a Warzone downloaded on Steam. And then first thing that you will do guys is just go to the library. And then over here, as you can see, we have here Call of Duty. So guys, first thing that you will do is right click on it. And then from here, guys, you can just click on properties. Then over here on the properties, make sure you have the latest version of the game. And after you made sure, the second option that you have is click on the installed files, guys. And then after that, you are just going to click verify integrity of game files. And then from there, it will load up the game and it will check and it will repair the files if there are any broken files. And then from there, guys, Steam will automatically fix your game, and they have this feature in order for you to solve this kind of problem. So guys, just click on verify integrity of game files and the error should be solved. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!